Alright guys, welcome to hopefully another fun unparceling. In this case, the unparceling. Let's get this open and see what came in the box. Parcel. It looks like this is an Aelun glass screen protector, which is pretty cool. And I really needed one of these things because my current screen protector got broken, and as I broke it, I caused more issues to it because I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna mess around with it and fix it. But remember, the second you pull it off the glass, it tends to get worse. So don't do that. That's what I did, and it just made it worse. So it was just a teensy weensy little problem, and then it became a big one.
Likey